Welcome to the Brain Bank Listen and Learn series. I'm Laura Wells. Our topic today is pre-wired Raceway, and with me by phone is Joe Damato, Senior Product Manager for Hubbell. Welcome, Joe.
Well, thanks for having me today and giving me this opportunity to discuss the Raceway system solutions that we have to offer.
Okay, to start off, please define Raceway as it pertains to Hubbell. What kind of Raceway do you make?
Raceways are surface-mounted delivery systems for delivering power and data to the work area. And generally they're mounted on the surface of walls, and many times the walls are not accessible, so we mount them on the surface, and this allows the person to plug in for power or their data requirements. And many times they're also used on lab benches in research and test facilities.
And what are the advantages of using pre-wired Raceway? I assume time and labor savings are a big factor.
The biggest advantage is the time and labor savings. Customers, they can expect to pay more for the pre-wired Raceway system, but the major benefit is that the installation can cut about 70% of the time that it takes to install the Raceway. And basically this becomes a major cost savings for the project overall. Take, for example, a Raceway project we just completed the other day. I did a little research on it, and if the customer, if they chose to purchase the component parts and assemble it on site, his bill of material would consist of about 1,800 component parts. The Raceway, the base and the cover require precise measurements. They also have to be cut during the assembly process. Each component must be taken out of the package, needs to be identified to where it belongs, where does it go, then correctly installed as part of the complete assembly. And this is very, very time-consuming, this process. Basically, by choosing the pre-wired Raceway system, the customer is going to receive 90 sticks of pre-wired Raceway instead of having 1,800 components laying on the floor and trying to figure out where they go. And he's also going to know that when he gets these 90 sticks of pre-wired Raceway, that they were factory assembled, tested, and quality inspected before they shipped. So the customer basically takes these sticks out of the box, fastens them to the wall, snaps the covers in place, and moves on to the next duct. And we also guarantee that the customer receives a high quality of product that is shipped according to the customer's delivery schedule. We can ship a project complete by a floor or by a specific area. So generally, we ask the customer what are his shipping requirements, and then we deliver accordingly.
So this product has to be a natural for those with tight deadlines?
Absolutely. And the Raceway systems are generally installed late in the construction cycle. If the project is behind schedule due to unexpected reasons, the pre-wired Raceway is an excellent time-saving solution. And it can also help get the project back on schedule if it has fallen behind. Allows the contractor also to free up resources. And the school projects are, they're often scheduled during recess periods, and the contractors need to get on those jobs as soon as possible and then get off those projects before the classes resume schedule. And it also helps the contractor finish one job so they can move on to their next project, so they're not tying up their resources there.
Do you get closer to the job when you work with the customer's plans and specs and you provide pre-wired?
Absolutely. Hubbell works with the customer from the initial takeoff stage to develop a bill of material and a quotation. And we also have field sales reps that work locally with the contractors and our customers. And we also have specification managers that are highly trained and skilled to assist from beginning to end in these projects. As the projects develop and Hubbell receives the customer purchase order, our application engineers will generate a comprehensive submittal package from the customer supplied drawings. And this submittal package details each duct of Raceway so the customer knows exactly what he can expect to receive from Hubbell when the material arrives. We also guarantee to manufacture our product plus or minus 1/8 of an inch to the drawings. This is considered very, very precise in this type of an industry. As soon as the contractor approves the submittal package and returns that package to Hubbell, then the project moves on into the manufacturing stage.
What kind of finishes does pre-wired Raceway come in, and what applications would they be used in?
We offer the Raceway systems in 3 different types of materials. We have non-metallic, steel, as well as aluminum. The aluminum is generally used in environments where aesthetics is very important, or in areas where corrosion resistance is important, such as test labs, research lab environments, or anywhere else that needs a corrosion-resistant type of product. As far as the steel is considered our workhorse in the school industry, and the reason being is that it's very durable as far as the product. And then we also have the non-metallic Raceway solutions, and those are generally used in, could be used in corrosion-resistant locations as well, schools, or anywhere else in commercial buildings. And a lot of people are not aware, but Hubbell was the first manufacturer to market with the non-metallic product back in 1986, and we initially brought it to market for the telecom industry, and it has now since then moved over into the electrical. So it's a very good product as well, and customers have different types of needs, so we do have solutions for to meet any one of those needs that are out there.
What is available in the way of wiring devices?
We offer a wide range of devices. We offer surge devices, GFCI, twist lock, straight blade, isolated ground, so just about any device that to meet your electrical need. As far as the datacom channels usually are non-pre-wired, and usually the customers wire those up in the field. But if we do need to supply data frames or jacks, we will do that for the customer.
Hubbell obviously is new to the market. What has been the customer response?
The customer response has been excellent. And basically, the way we came to market with this product was we went out to the customer and we asked the customer what they wanted in a pre-wired Raceway solution. And they told us what they liked and disliked about our competitors. So what we did was we took all of that plus more and put it into this Raceway solution package.
What support do you give customers who buy this product?
As far as support, we give them support from beginning to end, like I mentioned earlier. And basically, we have application engineers that work directly with our customers and help put together these submittal packages and then send them out to the customer. So if the customer has any questions, he can easily pick up the phone, contact the application engineer, and they could talk through the actual submittal packages. We also have local field reps available, and the field reps, they're the first point of contact right in front of the customer, and they could also visit job site and installation. So if there's any questions as far as the product when it reaches the job or when it's being installed, they're there to support them at that level as well.
Where should contractors, distributors, architects, and design engineers look to apply this product?
Basically, they should look to apply this on any project where they're looking to save time and money. And basically, when you save your time on labor hours and installation, then you're also saving money in your pocket as well. And to acquire the product, it's going to cost a little bit more to acquire the product than if you bought just components themselves. So, you can't just look at the cost of how much it costs to acquire the product. You also have to look at, what does it cost to actually install the product. From an end user standpoint, this product is excellent because it allows for flexibility and for future growth. And, as a company grows, they could basically, add on to these Raceway systems, or they can also add more receptacles or data into these systems.
Is there anything else you'd like to add that we haven't covered?
I would just like to let our customers know that our pre-wired Raceway team is available to assist from the beginning stage to the completed installation. We will make sure that your next pre-wired Raceway project goes smoothly with delivery of a highly quality product. So, you can expect to, get the same quality that you always expected from Hubbell.
Great. Well, Joe, where can listeners go if they want more information?
For additional information, customers can go to the website hubbell-wiring.com, or they can contact your local Hubbell sales rep for more information.
Perfect. Joe, thanks for being with us today. We learned a little bit more about Raceway and specifically Hubbell Raceway.
Yeah, thanks for having me today, and appreciate the opportunity to discuss the Raceway systems. Thank you.
That's it for today's Brain Bank Listen and Learn series. We'll see you next time.